What's up, guys? I'm excited. So I found a place in the city that'll do a oil change for $35, and they'll rotate your tires for, well, not rotate. They'll change your tires for $10 a pop, whatever that means. I heard that expression, so I thought I'd floss it, if you know what I mean. But I am 40 minutes early, bored as fuck! And I thought I'd make a video. My car's pretty dirty. I hope they don't mind. Got empty cigarette packs. Got shit. Oh yeah, I think I'll shoot that gun off and get arrested. That really shouldn't be in here. If you're a cop, turn this video off 5 seconds ago. Oh, there's a receipt. You like receipts? I love receipts. Okay, this one says, there's a guy. Okay. Canadian Tire, Country Hills, a great place to start. I bought bolts for $4. Yep. Not too exciting. Alright, next thing. Lighter. I found this under my chair this morning. It's orange. It's nice. Actually, I think my friend gave this to me because I lost my lighter at his house. It still works. Oh. Usually does this popping thing when it's cold. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I got scissors. Scissors are good. I love scissors. Don't know why I have them in here. Glove compartment. Oh, this is the biggest glove compartment ever. You can fit so much in there. There's a shitload of money. There's lights for my car. I thought my car would take 4, but it only took 2. So if you want to buy these, I'll sell them to you for $30. I paid $60. See the difference? There's normal halogens. Yeah, you can't even see the road. And there's Nighthawks. And you can't even see the road. Huh. Well, at least we're paying more for nothing. That's good. Yeah. Oh, my government checks. Yes. Eric Lucas. Oh, screwdriver. Yes. Oh, wait. I better still have this in here. Where is my recorder? Oh, my favorite part of driving is playing the recorder, of course. Now, isn't that your favorite part? Because it is the best part of driving, in my opinion. IMO. I'll show you my recorder skills. Okay. Gross, there's oil on it. Oh well. Oh, nice. I remember back in grade 6, the last time I played this, or last week in the traffic jam. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I know it's been really bad. I'm bored. Thanks, guys.